This is an introduction of the GX 2003 4-gas monitor from RKI. I'm going to talk about a little bit on the battery source. The way it was purchased by Ford for each individual site. It has a rechargeable nickel metal hydride battery pack, and I'll show you how to remove that if needed. It does come with a charger, as well as the ability to remove the battery pack to put disposable AA batteries in, 3 of them. On a fully charged battery or fresh disposable batteries, you'll receive 14 hours of continuous use. The unit functions with a built-in pump. As the unit is turned on, it will activate the pump to pull the sample through the instrument. The unit is turned on with this power key. You turn the instrument on. It will indicate to you in a 10-second span the date, the time, and also does a system check to make sure everything's operating properly. Checks the battery, the microprocessor, and indicates to let you know how much memory is left in its data logger. After you hear that dual tone, it'll show you on the display what the 4 gases are that's monitoring for, and also its concentrations. As we go through the wheel, that indicates how to navigate through the instrument itself. Above the power key is the air key. The air key allows you to auto zero the sensors. By pushing and holding down that air key, just look at the display. It'll indicate to you it's adjusting to 0 and let you know when you hear that tone when to release that air key. At that point, the sensors have zeroed, and you should see 0 for combustibles, 20.9 for oxygen, 0 for H2S, and 0 for CO. As you go around the wheel of the display, you'll also see a reset silence key. What that does is allow you to reset the pump, and also as you get into some of the menus to navigate through what it's asking you on the screen. If you were to either crimp the hose or to suck in water, the pump is activated with a differential pressure switch that will turn it off to allow you to protect the instrument itself. By pushing the reset key, it allows you to reinitiate the pump and again continue to sample. Down at the bottom is the shift key. This shift key by itself is a key that really doesn't activate into anything unless you have it into a certain menu. So as it's running right now, the shift key does not do anything to help you to work through the instrument. The display key allows you to look at the display, and through several menus allows you to look at how the unit is set up. Indicates to you how you have the instrument in terms of user ID and station ID set up. You push the display key again, it indicates to you what the peaks are since the time you've turned the instrument on. Pushing that display key again allows you to indicate how long the unit's been on. Time weighted average and short-term exposure limit for CO and H2S. It gives you date, time, and battery level, and also what type of battery you have in the instrument. Also shows you that it is data logging, and you can clear the data logger at this point. Pushing that display key again also allows you to look to see how many hours are remaining on the data logger, and then back to normal display.